Hey yo, what's good YouTube? Is the boy Tim back again. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing my results with PropellerAds network. So in case you don't know what PropellerAds is, PropellerAds is a company that displays ads on your site, just like Google Adsense. So it's a more like Adsense alternative. So for the past few days, I've been trying other means that you can actually make money instead of banking wholly on Google Adsense, because Google have been acting up for the past few months or more. Right. So with that being said, I'm going to be sharing my results, like I said. And please, if you're new here, consider liking this video. If you're old, like this video, please make sure you drop a like right now, because it's going to get more people and more people are going to see this result, and I believe it's going to help people, okay, especially for beginners. Okay, so if you're a pro in PropellerAds and you think there is something I'm actually not doing right, so please drop it in the comment section and make sure you subscribe. All right, so with that being said, let's dive deep into my laptop. Let me share my results with you guys. So follow me on Instagram at DonTimTV, and if you have any issue, make sure you hit me up on WhatsApp. And with that being said, let's do this video. Okay guys, this is my screen and this is my Astera dashboard. And in the last video I made a video about Astera and my earnings and everything. Okay, so a lot of people actually hit me up on WhatsApp and shared with me some adjustments that I need to make in order to get a good result on Astera. So I've now actually applied it. I decided to drop it, and in case if you missed the video, go ahead and check it. Okay, I have $18 on Astera. Okay, so I had like some couple of dollars before I started practicing it again, because I was using it some years back. So I decided to give Propeller a try to know how the earnings are going to look like. So let me go to my Propeller dashboard. So I've been using Notice. So in case you don't know what Notice is actually a plugin that you can use to collect subscribers. When you enter some sites, you're going to see some notification that will ask you to allow or deny getting notifications from the site. So that's what Notice actually does. I'm going to write it here. So they will actually tell you when you meet a certain level of subscribers in order to monetize your traffic. So of course I've gotten to that level and I've monetized my traffic. So from time to time they send notifications to their subscribers, or rather my subscribers, and they partner with Propeller to pay you. Okay, so that is what I've been using on this site, and from day to day I get about 1,000 impressions from them. Okay, so and they generate me from 0.2 to 0.3, $0.4 daily. Okay, without doing anything. Okay, so every day they send notification to my subscribers and all of that. So I've been making few numbers from them, few cents on a daily basis, not until I dropped Astera and decided to give it attention. So I think this was when I started about 3 days ago, and the first day I started, I generated about 2,000 impressions, and I had to place more ads on the site so that the ads would be more visible to users. Okay, so on the first day I generated about 2,700 impressions, making me $1 with a CPM of 0.44. Okay, note that my traffic is almost 100% Nigeria traffic. Okay, so the second day, which was yesterday, I generated about 5,694 impressions, making me $5.9, almost $6, with a CPM of $1. Not bad. I mean, it's better. Okay, so today, still running, I've generated almost 3,000 impressions, making me about $2.9 profit. Okay, so I just refreshed it so that you guys will see that everything is still intact. Okay, with a CPM of 0.9. Okay, so I think this is actually better. I think I've made like $33 so far. I mean, I can scale it up to $5 per day, $10 per day, then I'm sure of $300 per month. Okay, so I think this is actually better than Astera from my whole experience. All right, so I mean, this is actually my result. So my purpose of actually doing this is just to experiment which one is better, and also to get an alternative to Adsense, because Adsense has been acting crazy. Even though they pay more, but at least they shouldn't be breaking our heart always. So this is actually my results. So in case you have any method on Propeller that actually worked better or converts better for you, okay, a lot of people recommended using direct link. Of course, I'm going to do that, and also find a way to push users to the direct link in order to get more money. All right, so my traffic source is actually Facebook, 100% Facebook, and organic traffic as well. All right, so basically that's it. All right, I believe this video will help you guys in case you want to start Astera or Propeller. I believe these two videos will help you. I mean, I've shared my results, so make sure you like this video, please. When you like these videos, it helps the video to go viral or to get more audience and all of that. So I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Please make sure Stay safe and peace out.